Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here is a electronic punching pad for jabbing, punching, and I'm gonna give you a detailed review of what all comes with this. The first thing is you get 2 of these padded gloves. So this is, pretty significant. We're talking pretty significant padding right here, so you can really kind of go to town on this or something else. This is I'd say it's like a faux leather padding all the way around. It goes on like this, nice and tight. Now this has a built-in battery that is charged with a USB-C cord. So you charge it, you're good to go for, I've yet to drain the battery, so I don't even know how long it goes, but it definitely goes for a long period of time. Then you have your display. Right now it's cycling through the different options. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 punching elements. I will say that these punching elements have a good bit of like cushion to them and I have the volume up pretty loud. So when you're hitting it, you kind of sink into it just enough so you can kind of feel that you're hitting it, regardless of the audio notification or the striking where the light is. This has a volume that allows you to go up or down a variety of different volumes. This goes up, it's pretty loud. I think that's the loudest. Now from mounting standpoint, it does come with 2 very long, very thick pieces of double-sided Velcro. So you can kind of stick it, and then if you want to move it, you just, pull it off because of the Velcro. And so it's going to need to be stuck up against sheetrock, something metal, whatever it is, from a sticking in place standpoint. And if you don't like it, you just relocate it. It's pretty simple. You have the option of also connecting via Bluetooth to the device. So if you want to play your own music, you definitely have that option. For copyright purposes, I'm not going to play music, but it does have its own music built in, just in case you don't feel like connecting your own.
Bluetooth mode.
And then there is a Bluetooth mode. So when you're punching and you actually hit the light, it's going to automatically go to the next light. Now, if you miss the light, it's also going to give you a different audio notification. So that's not that one. Punch. So you kind of audibly know if you're doing what you need to do. Also, it's going to track in the digital display how many correct strikes have actually been accomplished during this session. So when I hit it incorrectly, the digital display would not move. So if you're just kind of going to town on this thing and you forget how many successful strikes you had, you have that visual notification letting you know what's kind of going on. Now there are 9 different speeds. This is the number 9 one. So note how fast this thing is going. So definitely from a sparring session with the machine, very, very cool from a speed standpoint. Or if you want to slow it down, you can go back down to 1, which is it's going to work you out. It's definitely going to work you out. Now, this is made out of, all this is like a very hard plastic, like a hard plastic. This is sort of a softer, rubbery, like a hard rubber, so it's got a lot more flex to it versus this, which definitely doesn't. So when you're going to town on this thing, I have yet to feel like I'm damaging it. And you can go pretty hard on this thing. Now, granted, if the user punches like a sledgehammer, I don't know what might happen, but I would say for sparring and trying to keep up with it, definitely is gonna hold up. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give an honest review and a little bit of a tutorial about our sparring electronic gamepad? Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.